This is now how to make the meat alternative Christmassy alkaline mushroom, chickpea and onion cutlets. This makes 2 medium cutlets. So what you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of onion finely chopped, half a cup of mushrooms, 1/4 a cup of first dried chickpeas. So they was dried when there was a fourth, but then they need to be soaked overnight because I only cook from raw. So they was dried, soaked overnight and then cooked, and then you've got that much. And then you're going to need a tablespoon of spelt flour, 1/4 a teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 a teaspoon of ground cumin, a pinch of sea salt, and then some coconut oil for the cooking. First you're going to heat a teaspoon of coconut oil in a pan, and then once that's melted, add the finely chopped mushrooms and onions and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until they soften and the mushrooms release their moisture. Then let them cool slightly. After the 5 to 7 minutes is up, turn it off. It should be looking something like this. Now I just combined mine with the chickpeas and just let them cool. After they have cooled, in a food processor or mixing bowl, combine the cooked chickpeas, sautéed mushrooms and onions. Pulse or mash until you achieve a chunky, meaty texture. For a smoother texture, continue blending. This is how it should look. Place the mixture onto a board or in a mixing bowl. Add the fresh thyme, cumin, sea salt and 1 tablespoon of spelt flour. Mix well by hand. If the mixture feels too wet, gradually add more spelt flour until it holds together when pressed. Now shape the cutlets. Divide the mixture into 2 equal portions on a clean board. Shape each portion into a round or oval cutlet about 4 to 5 inches in size. Now it's time to cook the cutlets. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat, or preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so 190 degrees C. If frying, cook each cutlet for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown and firm. If baking, place the cutlets on a baking sheet and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and firm. Now enjoy your healthy homemade cutlets. If you want to see how to make any other healthy Christmas food, have a look at the playlist on screen now.